Hello! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a straw out of bamboo. It's super easy to make. You just need a few things and they're amazing. They're reusable, durable, and you could skip the plastic straw next time. So what you're going to need is a piece of bamboo. I just got this piece at a friend's house. It's like perfect straw size. A little bit of sandpaper or a sander and something to cut the bamboo down to the size you want the straw. So the first thing that you want to do is just cut your bamboo down to size. You want to cut it in between the nodes. You don't want any of these nodes to be in the middle because, as you can see, it's naturally hollow, but in these parts it is not hollow. So I'm going to cut it just down to the size that I want. The problem that I've run into when trying to make a bamboo straw without sanding it is that the outer layer of the wall starts peeling back and it just makes it not last very long. So we're just going to sand down the top outer layer and then round off these corners so that it's not prone to splitting. Once it's boiled for about 5 minutes, you can just set it in your dish rack to dry and you have a beautiful new straw that will last you a really long time. There are definitely other ways to reduce plastic consumption. I think it's almost half of the pollution in the ocean comes from fishing nets in the fishing industry. So that's another thing to think about, but we should all just try to do the best that we can. And if a reusable straw is that, you should do it. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.